In this video, I'll show you how to add DKIM in Cloudflare to secure your emails and keep them out of spam folders. DKIM, or Domain Keys Identified Mail, works with SPF and DMARC to verify your domain's emails. To start, get your DKIM details from your email provider. This usually includes a selector name like default or S1 and a long DKIM public key. Next, log into your Cloudflare dashboard and select your domain. Go to the DNS section and click Add Record. Set the type to TXT. In the name field, enter your selector followed by underscore domain key, for example, default underscore domain key. In the content field, paste your full DKIM key. Make sure it starts with V equals DKIM1, P equals and contains the entire key as one string. Cloudflare will automatically handle long keys. Set TTL to auto and change the proxy status to DNS only gray cloud. Finally, hit save. Your DKIM record is now active, improving email deliverability and protecting your domain's reputation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Cloudflare guides.